Looking for an affordable computer? There's the one, only for 2000 rupees or $30. Yes, we are talking about the Raspberry Pi 3. So let's get started. So, what is a Raspberry Pi? A Raspberry Pi is just like the motherboard you can find in your PC or phone. Similarly, this one has a CPU that is made by Broadcom and a 32-bit one. For the power supply, there is a micro USB port and an HDMI port to connect this board to an external display, a 3.5mm audio jack to connect your earphones or any other audio devices. Along with that, on this side we have the Ethernet port to which you can connect a routing device via RJ45 cable. Along with that, there are 4 USB 2.0 ports to connect your keyboard, mouse, printer or any other USB device. Apart from that, the basic dissimilarity between your average motherboard in your PC and this board is the GPIO pins you can see here. So basically what these do is, like, you can have your sensor like a temperature sensor and have its terminal positive negative connected to any pair of these pins and get the input from the sensor to your board. This is very helpful when you're trying to make a project that requires many sensors. Along ahead, there is on the back side micro SD port in which you will insert your micro SD card that will act as the RAM as well as the hard disk of your board. So you just flash your card with the OS that you want, probably Raspbian, the official OS by Raspberry Pi, or any other OS that supports this board, any Linux version or Windows IoT or any one of them. Plug it down here and your board is ready to run. So basically it's a hardware piece designed for you to perform any work that you want depending on the software. So it's a custom piece of hardware that you can use to perform any kind of action you want, or you can convert this piece of hardware to any device you want, like a server you can have in your home, or you can use it as a Bitcoin miner. So it is a pretty handy device when you have so much to do. Hope you like this video and please watch our next in series videos to know more. Till then, see you later guys.